So you're looking for a business bank account, don't know which to go for, should you have an app-only one or use one of the high street banks. I've pulled together some analysis that should help you make that decision. Now, there's an article on the Money to the Masses website, which I'm going to jump straight across to now, that pulls together all of the analysis in some nice, neat tables. Now, the first thing to point out that it depends if you are sole trader or a limited company. If you are a limited company, then you legally have to have a separate business account to separate your personal finances from those of the business. If you're a sole trader, then that isn't the case. The other thing to point out, if you are going to therefore get a business bank account, it's worth looking at all the costs, because they often will charge you account management fees as well as charges on certain transactions in and out of your business account. So what I'm going to do first of all is jump down and look at the app only banks. So these are the likes of Starling, Monzo, Revolut, Tide, Anna and Wise. You can see a nice table with a full comparison of all the different benefits of each account. Now the cost varies from free all the way through to £125. It does depend on which account and the level of the account that you choose, and that will dictate some of the benefits that you get, as you can see on screen. Now, as a quick summary, if you're looking for free business banking, then Starling is a good option. Similarly, Monzo. If you're really interested in multi-currency accounts, then Revolut is one to look at. And if you are managing your business finances on the go, Tide is a good option. If you want cash back on certain business expenses, then Anna is particularly good, and that is also attractive to freelancers. And if you're being paid in lots of different currencies, then Wise is one to look at as well, because you can be paid in up to 23 local currencies. But jumping down to a bit more detail on each, you can see on screen, you can pause to look at the details yourself. The pros of the Starling Bank account is that there are no monthly fees, and there's multi-currency accounts as well as fee-free spending abroad. The cons, the business overdraft facility is only for limited companies and limited liability partnerships. Disappointingly, there's also no interest on positive balances, and there's a 0.7% charge for cash deposits. Moving on to Monzo, it's also great for fee-free spending abroad. There is no monthly account fee on its light version, and it also integrates with accountancy tools very nicely. Now, there is no overdraft or loan facilities except for sole traders, and there is a £200 cash withdrawal limit every 30 days outside of the EEA, and there's a 3% fee there after. And of course, because of the different tiering, some features are only unlocked if you start to use the Monzo Pro or Monzo Team versions, which cost you money. Moving on to Revolut, well, there's a number of pros. The biggest positive is the ability to receive, hold and send money in 25 different currencies. And on the downside, you're not able to deposit cash or checks. There's no overdrafts or loans, and there can be a fee to transfer money within the UK. Tide, the pros are there's no monthly fee, there's fee-free spending abroad, and there's 0.5% cashback with the Tide Max business account, which is one of the biggest attractions. Downside, no overdrafts, there's £1 fee per cash withdrawal as well. Anna, which is very popular with freelancers, well, there's cashback on selected business spending, there's no monthly account fee, and then you've got that 24/7 customer service, which a number of them do, to be fair. Downside, there are charges for taking money out of cash points, and there's a transfer currency conversion fee as well. Wise is a relatively newcomer to our comparison. Again, there are a number of pros, no monthly fees, you can get cash back as well. Downside is you do not get the FSCS protection or loans or overdrafts, and you can't deposit cash into your Wise account, and you have to pay a £45 fee to open an account. Moving on to the high street business accounts, there are a number of them that are attractive, and principally it's because you get free accounting software with a few of them, principally NatWest. So looking at the main ones here, Virgin Money, HSBC, NatWest, Lloyds Bank, the cost ranges from free, but there can be a cost depending on the account that you take out. Virgin Money is good for cashback on its debit card purchases, plus you get 3 months free QuickBooks or zero. There are terms, of course, to those offers. HSBC, there's no monthly banking fee for 12 months. NatWest, you also get free accounting software. It's free agent in that particular instance. And Lloyds Bank, you get free electronic payments with certain caveats as shown below the table. Full details of each account can be seen on screen. I'm not going to go through them in particular detail. You can pause if you want to read that, but that is a broad roundup of the best business bank accounts out there at the moment. The thing that's going to make your mind up is, do you want something that's easy to use on your phone, so you'll like one of the app-only banks? Are you willing to pay for certain benefits? And what's most important to you? Is it free accounting software? Is it the ability to get cash back on any spending? Or is it the ability to hold multiple different currencies in the business account? If you found that useful, then do bookmark the article, hit that like button. We update the article regularly on the Money to the Masses website. You can find a link to it in the notes, of course. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.